Having trouble getting sharp focus on your Canon camera? There's a built-in focus magnifier that lets you zoom in and nail the perfect shot. Most people don't even know it exists, but it's super easy to use. Let's turn it on right now. So first, turn on your camera. Then press the live view button, which is a camera icon and a red dot on top of it. Next, switch the lens focus switch from AF to MF. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it. Now tap once for 5x zoom and tap again for 10x zoom. Then move the magnified area to the subject you want to focus on. Then again, tap the magnifying glass button and it returns to normal view. And that's how you use the focus magnifier on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.